brave people don't know the things set this and that you don't know. Mega one, so like, comment and share and subscribe to Petagaye Life. Don't know the things set just matches up.
Hi guys, welcome back to today's vlog. Right now, I'm gonna say, alright, cool. I'm gonna cook. I feel like for like fried chicken neck with rice with some barbecue gravy. So I'm gonna say, alright, cool. From FIFA, I'm gonna just get it. So I'm going to the shop now. Can you guys with me? Guys, tell the truth. You know, I feel like I said I've channeled for turn on cooking channel because my always a cooking on. But it is what it is. Let's go to the shop. Now I'm here, but I did a video I'm here though, but we don't must that by now. If not, then guys, remember that my merch are out, so you can definitely click the link in the description box. So people, I'm there on shop. I'm gonna buy pound and chicken neck. I want to see how much I need for the pound. If anything, I might buy a pound and a half or 2 pounds. I just feel something for this munch on. So, yeah. Basically, that's what's up. We see kids playing some football on the road. So, people, this is my chicken. I'm gonna season it up on that's fries. Maybe end up go shop again. I can't remember the other people. I'm tired. For all I want to marinate it a little bit. Guys, I just mix it up. I just let it stay like this. Just marinate it in the fridge for a couple minutes. And just get roti and then this now take long. So, chicken foot, chicken neck. Guys, I'm going to shop and I don't want to say what I want to say. Give me chicken foot. She say what? I say, oh, backside, chicken neck. You know, I'm gonna eat them some chicken neck. So, yeah. So guys, so just take this back out of the fridge. This is my flour. I seasoned it up with some powder seasoning. And I have my oil. So my pot is getting hot right now, and I soon start the rice. Just something simple. So yeah. So now I'm gonna add the garlic, so the oil can get the flavor. So then start putting the chicken neck. So to see if I have a clear bag, and I can either put, I'm gonna wash out this clear bag, guys. Then I'm gonna put the flour in there. Then I can put the neck in there and just shake it up in the bag. And so I can either dip it either. So you can use a bag if you want to shake like a shake, you know, like when the shake and bake style, or you can dip it. It's up to you, your preference. Do what you feel, do what you like. So you guys can't, I'm not updating you as I go along. So these are the neck. We'll just add it. So right now I'm going to put, let me show you guys. So this I was talking about, like you have a bag with the flour and just put in the meat in there. Be careful because you know camera and all of that. And you just shake it, shake, and then you just add it in there. So you once you do it this way, you know that everything have flour and seasoning to it. So that's what I'm doing in case you guys actually want to see. So yeah, if you want more flour, you season up the flour and do the same thing as you go along. Oh my god. God, it smells so good. Chicken. Talk truth. This smells good, people. Guys, just a little update on my chicken neck. I had 2 pieces already. That's why only 4 is left. So let me show you what's happening backside. So let me show you guys what's happening over here. So go on, and the rice is on the fire right there. So then I'm gonna make some gravy, and then I'm finished. So people, the chicken neck finished frying now. Time to make some gravy using this barbecue sauce. And I want to just should I place them in the sauce or option? Now just make the sauce separate, so in case China wants some, so in case she don't want any gravy, so or maybe we'll just do some in the pot and then do some without. What you think? Yeah, both. So people can have option, like people have option when they are cooking also. Yeah, so it's time for the gravy. So guys, my sauce finished with a barbecue sauce. It's a going with that buzzy. I'm gonna show you the rice. So the rice, backside focus, yeah, rice shelly and nice. It actually finished. So it up on a low fire. So yeah, I know that you guys love to see my finished meal. So something simple: chicken neck and white rice and my barbecue gravy. So dinner on a budget again. So guys, tell me if you like it. Comment below what I should cook next. So oh gosh, man, oh god, oh gosh. So I'm gonna have this right now, slap this on, and look on the rice, very shelly. Who wants some? Let me know in the comment section. Talk truth. So people, so I'm currently editing to the vlog what you're watching right now. I'm gonna say after I'm gonna do the chicken neck, people. I'm never end the vlog. I'm just actually come here for end the vlog. So if you reach this far, big up yourself, guys. If I don't send your intro them yet, what are you waiting on? Please go ahead and send your intro if you want to be featured in my vlogs. Alright, then next follow me on all my social, and also the first comment which is pinned, that's for my merch if you want to make a purchase. So I'm not really have nothing else to say. Come here, edit this vlog right now so I can post for you guys. So big up on yourself, stay sweet, stay positive, and I definitely see you guys in my next upload. Guys, I know some of my head ever crazy. Oh, comment, no, DM me on Instagram what hairstyle I should do next. So definitely let me know about that, and that's it. Alright then, bye guys. Next video tomorrow. Yeah, my video for edit, and next video for edit. May I try it all of my video them tonight. So in the week I don't really have much to do. So yeah, what else am I to say? Yeah, that's it. So big up on yourself, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.